Hi, Ken Vance here, the training manager at Salamander Pumps. All it is today, we want to look at just a little bit of a myth that we seem to see crop up now and again in our technical department, which is sort of rules and regulations on pumping the cold water mains in the UK. So a common theme when we look at some of the questions that come into our technical team is people seem to be under the impression, some plumbers, some students that we've spoken to, they seem to think still that in the UK there's a little bit of a misconception that you're not allowed to pump directly from the cold water mains. Well, in the UK we can pump from the cold water mains so long as we don't pump more than 12 litres a minute. When we think of the structure of the network of how we get mains water to a property in the UK, we've got the water mains pipework, which carries the large pipes carrying all the water underneath the roads, underneath the pavements, which is distributed around the network. From that point to your external stop tap and usually the property boundary, we've got the communication pipe. That communication pipe ends with an external stop tap, and that tends to be where the water authority sort of responsibility ends as well. From that external stop tap into the property, what we then have is the supply pipe. That is the homeowner's responsibility. So we've got to consider sort of lengths of supply pipes, that can affect pressure and all the rest of it. The water authority have got to give you around 0.7 of a bar and 9 litres a minute at the property boundary, which is all fine and well, but if you've got a long mains running up to your property, you can suffer some pressure loss, some flow loss, all the rest of it. So that's where Salamander come in. We've got a range of products that kind of fit in line with this. So we've got the likes of your home boost, which will fit in line and boost you up to around 12 litres per minute. Then we've got the range of accumulators, which will take you from around 14 litres a minute up to around 36 litres a minute, all fitting within the water regulations and keeping to those rules. So just to sum up, very briefly, yes, in the UK we can pump from the cold water mains so long as we don't pump more than 12 litres a minute, which is your water regulations maximum, and we've got some products that are in line with that, just so you can stick them directly on the mains, or we can look at accumulator solutions. Don't forget you can visit us at salamanderpumps.co.uk, or you can tweet myself at salamanderken.